really started because we had to replace all of our production decision engines. And the reason the team was set up was to modernise and optimise all of our consumer lending strategies. The vendor software we use for automated decisioning were all end of life.
We knew from an architecture perspective that we had to actually come up with a platform which supported not just one, but all lines of businesses.
We've got one platform that's used for lots of different decisioning across the banks.
Really, you need to be able to deliver in quarters, and we couldn't do that previously. It would take us more like years to deliver anything, to go from an initial idea or concept to implementing a new service. That really required us to move to a centralized decisioning service. So to move from having silo decision engines that make each decision, but to have everything done on one platform.
It means that we're able to build a single customer view. We're getting data from all different data streams, and therefore we're able to also enhance our outcomes for our customers.
The reason why we went with FICO as a platform was because it makes our lives easier, it's highly agile, and it also helps us in reducing our total cost of ownership.
So now a single analyst can come up with an idea for a new analytical feature, they can configure it on the platform, they can simulate the impact using Analytic Workbench, and they can pass it to technology to deploy within a quarter. We couldn't do that previously.
Yeah, we've nearly tripled our deployments, production deployments. From 2021 we had around 10 to 13 maybe, and then in 2023 we've done around 30 deployments.
It's really good to work with people that know what they're doing and that provide simple solutions to complex problems that we have.
So you always know that you have that global expertise available as and when you need it.
Customer engagement has increased by 25%. We've seen operational costs reduced by 40%, and customer rehabilitation has improved by 10%.
It also helps us to only focus on the crucial aspects of supporting business. You don't necessarily need to feed and water the platform. If a customer is in hardship, for example, then we don't necessarily give that undue stress by calling up the customer every now and then.
When natural disasters occur, like floods, what we're able to do with the CCS tool and working so closely with FICO is pivot really quickly to make sure that our contact strategy changes for those customers that are impacted in those areas.
So from a customer's perspective, that means that it feels consistent and personalised whenever they interact with the bank. Whether it's applying for a home loan, whether it's a time where they've lost a job and need support from the bank, I can see how what I do and our decision strategies that we deploy on the platform have real customer impacts.